On 10th of May, the staff of Gabion Baskets came together to celebrate a remarkable milestone, the birthday of our MD, Louis Cheyne. Let's take a moment to honor his extraordinary achievements and the lasting impact he has made in the world of civil engineering. With over 30 years of experience and a passion for innovation, Louis Cheyne has revolutionized the construction industry. As the founder and guiding force behind Gabion Baskets, his dedication and expertise have reshaped the way we approach infrastructure development. Through Gabion Baskets, a company he established with a shared vision, Louis Cheyne has left an indelible mark on the industry. Their projects have ranged from road and bridge construction to erosion control, making a positive impact in countless communities. Gabion Baskets has overcome challenges and embraced innovation under Louis Cheyne's leadership. The company's commitment to excellence and sustainable solutions has solidified its reputation as a trusted industry leader. As we celebrate Louis Cheyne's birthday, we also celebrate his legacy, one of perseverance, innovation, and dedication to transforming communities through robust infrastructure. Happy birthday, Mr. Cheyne.